Hello and thanks for joining us. In this video we'll be looking at the portable electric shredder. This fantastic piece of machinery is ideal for breaking down garden waste and is the perfect solution for domestic and commercial work. A 240 volt power supply powers the motor and it's double walled to reduce noise pollution. The entire unit weighs just 63 kilograms and thanks to the wheels on the bottom it's easy to move around the site. You'll also notice that it comes with this handy removable bag, which helps dispose of the garden waste once it's been broken down. To start using the electric shredder, you'll need to fit the collection container and position the chute. The machine is equipped with sensors, and unless the collection box is done correctly and the chute is perfectly positioned, the machine will not start. Ensure the chute securing bolts are tightened correctly, then plug the shredder into the power supply using an RCD breaker. When you are ready, press the green button to start it up and the red button to stop it when you are finished. You should always set the shredder on firm, even ground whilst it's in use, and we recommend wearing the appropriate PPE. This includes ear defenders, gloves, goggles and safety boots. Bear in mind that the blades are ideal for breaking down garden waste and small twigs, but you should not insert anything thicker than 35mm or any hard materials like rocks or glass. Be sure to feed the material into the chute slowly and to not overload it, as this may cause it to jam. If the machine jams, leave the motor to run for 2 to 3 minutes until it clears. If it is still jammed, turn the engine off and contact your local HSS for advice. To find out more about our electric shredder or view our full range of gardening equipment available for hire, visit hss.com.